Oops. While waiting to our flights, ba't kailangan mag-English? This is Big Scoop. Sana all naka-black badge. Black card. While waiting to our flights, guide us, Lord. Kaya nga.
Ilang minuto ang
ilang minuto yung 35 minutes. Darating tayo doon 1:30.
Mga sabi natin 2.
Oh my God. Hello, Singapore. Good morning. Time to work. Yeah, work. So that's the giant supermarket. Walkathon. Start the exercise. See ya! So, we have to load our MRT. Dito, ma'am?
Ay, dito
Ay.
sa ano?
Sa?
Wala sa'yo?
Ay, wala.
Wala.
So, dito tayo. Nag-load ka na?
Oo.
Tapos na?
Oo. Please mo yung card mo.
Here. And then, dito. At then, gosh. Okay na? Confirm. Receipt. May receipt. So, we have 12. Diyan tayo sasakay, ma'am. Oh, it's... So, it has YSL, Gucci, Chanel here in Orchard Ion. It has Dior, Kate Spade there. Show house. Let's wear our shades for today's video. Let's go there. And we are the
good thing the rain is done.
The good thing the rain is coming. And this is how it looks like. We look like CCO later. How much? Rainbow bread. 1.5. So this is the famous yeah. Ice cream bread. Okay, ma'am. Bayaran ko muna.
So, 3?
$3, yeah.
So we're trying the famous.
Okay.
We're going to try the famous
Ice cream.
ice cream sandwich. Ano di tayo, ma'am?
Ikaw, hindi. Pili ka ng ano. Gusto mo try natin?
Oo, pwede. Ito yung pinipilahan. Let's try nasi lemak berlo melaka. I think it's Singaporean dish or I don't know. Nasi lemak. Nasi lemak. So, try natin itong combo menu top. Okay, here in Lucky Plaza. Yeah, it's kasi it's Friday. Huh? So it's hot in here. Prada. Yes. Saint Laurent. YSL. Like to try. What's this? tayo. So we will try the 4 oranges each cup. Binasa ko lang. Okay, let's insert the $5. It's $3. Paano? Ah, pwede naman ano? Oh. Ah, oh my God, may money. Oh, I have change. I have change. Change of hearts. And then the juicing is there are 600 varieties of orange.
Parang hindi naman hinog yung...
Kaya nga eh, parang pabulok na. Charing. Yo, it's here na. I'm going to... Ay, lalabas ba?
Okay.
Ah, oh, it's pure.
Nasa lang ano?
Ah, malamig siya.
Nasa ng straw?
Ito, here.
Okay.
So, we're here in Marlayon, waiting for the... Wala, nothing. We just have to try this. Bakit English? Tingnan mo. Malamig siya.
Hirap ba?
Pure juice, 4 oranges for $3. Mahal. So, parang 150.
150. So, parang...
120. 150. 130.
120.
Sarap na ka-refresh. Yan ang manita pagod ko.
So, isang, 30 pesos. Isang orange.
Orange. Yeah. It's so yummy. Nice. You have to try this. Ano, vlogger talaga. I think it's... Hello, Singapore! So, we're here in Marina Bay. Marina Bay yan, ma'am? Marina Bay. Yeah. Marina Bay. Yeah. And we have mga buildings and I don't know what's Ferris wheel here. And then of course the famous Marlion is there. Later going there and taking some pictures.
Ano ka na? Meron pa akong ano?
May dala naman akong ano ma. May dala naman akong
Maganda daw dito sa mga
this. Ito na ba yun, ma'am?
parang hindi pa tayo. Parang di ba mga Changi yun?
Oo, parang Changi yun eh. It's in here, Chinatown. It's in Fortune Garden. There is. Ay, sorry. The old. Yeah. ng shoes. Budol number 1. Ilang percent na to? 50? 30 lang, no? Grabe, nakakainis dito sa Crocs. Ito, 5,000, 6,000 to sa Manila. 2,500 na lang dito. Oh my God. I love the color. Ito is sa Manila. Nasa 8K to eh. Ngayon is ay, kabayo. Is $76. So, nasa 3 plus. Ilan mo ko, Ma'am Judith. MK is 50% off. Check mo, Ma'am. CK, Ma'am. 80% to. Makabili ka ng bucket hat. Ito yung coach sa baba na sale. Kasi pinuntahan natin kanina, hindi. Oo. Iba to. Sa taas yung kanina eh. Oo. Time, day 2. It's bibimbap. In Singapore. So, mix. Oh, ang dami niya ah. $7. Ano, ma'am?
Ng tissue sa kabila.
Ayun mo sa taas lang. Yummy. Wow. Mix.
Bibi pa ko. Baka delikado itong ano ko.
Oo nga eh. Wow. Yummy. Tudo? Parang narinig ko. Ito kami lang berat. Alam ko, siniyama ko. Hindi na nabisar tayo. Hindi tayo nakakabak na lang. Toys now, kung brand new, book na ako. Kaya nabuli na naman. Ito talaga na. Ito na nakakabili. Tapos, wow.
Sunday, number 6. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Saturday. May wipes kang dala, ma'am?
Oo.
Sige. So, we are... Apa, kiosk. Yung milk tea, ma'am, bandang dulo. Ayan o. So, we are now trying the laupas. Tandaan mo na, ma'am. Ito daw best seller. The original and the salted. So, ay, naku, nadudurog siya. Tsaka ano siya, ma'am, bagong luto siya. Oh, ma'am. Hindi na.